In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the measuring tool on TradingView step by step. Whether you're day trading or simply analyzing market trends, the measuring tool can be invaluable for assessing price changes and time durations on your chart. To start, you'll want to have your TradingView chart open. If you don't have an account yet, head over to TradingView and set one up. It's important to familiarize yourself with the platform as it's a fantastic resource for traders of all experience levels. Once you're logged in and have your chart open, the first thing you'll need to do is locate the measuring tool. On most interfaces, it's symbolized by a small ruler icon, typically found on the left toolbar. Take a moment to mouse over your toolbar, and there it is, the ruler. This is what you'll be using to measure specific segments on your chart. Next, let's put that measuring tool to work. Click on the ruler icon to activate the measuring mode. Once you've done that, you're ready to start measuring. This tool allows you to analyze the price movement over a selected period. For example, you might want to see how much a particular stock has risen or dropped over a few hours or days. Simply click on the starting point on your chart, hold down the mouse button, and drag to the endpoint you want to measure. As you drag, you'll see a box appear that provides you with detailed information. This includes the price change, the time duration between the 2 points, and even the percentage change. It's quite handy for understanding the extent of price fluctuations and the time frame in which they occurred. Remember, you can adjust the start and end points freely by dragging, which allows you to compare different sections easily. It's also useful if you want to refine your selection for more accurate measurements. When you're done measuring, simply click the ruler icon again to exit the measuring mode. As you get more comfortable with this tool, you'll find it extremely useful for planning your trades. It offers insights that can be crucial for making informed trading decisions. One final tip: keep practicing. Over time, you'll get faster and more efficient at using the measuring tool, which means greater accuracy in your trading analysis. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial on using the measuring tool on TradingView helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome trading tutorials. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.